Hey everyone, welcome to Kitchen Faucet. Today, we're tackling a common household dilemma: how to connect your washing machine to your kitchen faucet. No need to call a plumber or buy expensive adapters. With a few simple tools and steps, you can do it yourself and save some money. Before we start, let's gather the necessarities. A washing machine, a faucet adapter, Teflon tape, adjustable wrenches, hose clamps, rubber washers, a bucket to catch water. Step 1. Turn off water supply. Safety first. Locate your main water shutoff valve, usually under the sink. Turn it clockwise to shut off the water supply. Step 2. Disconnect the faucet aerator. Unscrew the aerator from the end of your faucet using pliers. This will expose the faucet threads. Step 3. Install the adapter. Wrap 2 or 3 turns of Teflon tape around the adapter threads in a clockwise direction to create a watertight seal. Screw the adapter onto the faucet threads. Tighten it securely using adjustable wrenches, but avoid over-tightening. Step 4. Connect the washing machine hose. Attach a rubber washer to the end of the washing machine hose. Screw the hose onto the adapter. Tighten it with a hose clamp to prevent leaks. Step 5. Test for leaks. Slowly turn on the water supply and check for leaks around the adapter and hose connections. If you find any leaks, tighten the connections or replace the rubber washers. Step 6. Connect the washing machine to the adapter. Connect the other end of the washing machine hose to the inlet valve of your washing machine. Make sure it's secure. Tips and precautions. Here are some tips to ensure a successful installation. Use a bucket to catch any water that might drip during the process. Make sure the adapter is compatible with your faucet and washing machine. If you're unsure about any step, consult a professional plumber. Avoid using excessive force when tightening connections. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your washing machine to your kitchen faucet. Remember to turn off water supply when the washing machine is not in use. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Don't forget to share your experience in the comments below. Happy washing!